Hey everyone, welcome back to Travel and Taste Channel. Today we're making one of the most popular bubble tea flavors. It's creamy, sweet, and perfect for any time of day. So, grab your ingredients, and let's get started. Super ingredients list, on-screen text. Half a cup of black tapioca pearls, 1 cup of milk, whole milk, almond, oat, or any milk alternative, half a cup of brewed chocolate milk or chocolate syrup plus water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, adjust to taste. Ice cubes, optional whipped cream or chocolate drizzle for topping. In a pot, bring about 4 cups of water to a boil. Add half a cup of tapioca pearls into the boiling water. Stir occasionally to prevent them from sticking to the bottom. Cook the pearls for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are chewy and fully cooked. Drain and rinse the pearls under cold water to stop them from cooking further. Add a spoonful of sugar or honey to sweeten the pearls if desired. In a separate pot, heat 1/2 cup of chocolate syrup and 1/2 cup of water until it's warm. Alternatively, you can brew a strong chocolate milk mix. Remove it from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. In a large cup, add half of the prepared tapioca pearls. Add 1 cup of milk over the pearls. You can use whole milk, almond milk, oat milk, whatever you prefer. Pour in your chocolate mixture and stir everything together. Add a little ice if you want your bubble tea chilled. Add more tapioca pearls if you'd like. Optionally drizzle some chocolate syrup or add whipped cream for that extra treat. And there you have it, homemade chocolate bubble tea that's just as good, if not better, than your favorite bubble tea shop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more DIY recipes. Let me know in the comments if you try this out or if you have other bubble tea recipes you want to see. Cheers!